Hi guys, today's problem is practice problem 1.3 from Sadiku book. The statement is the current flowing through the element is this. Calculate the charge entering from element 0 to 2 second. So recall the formula from previous problem is I of t is equal to dq by dt. So take dq on another side and multiply I of t with dt. Now as it is derivative of charge, to find charge we should integrate on both sides. So now integrate on both sides I of t dt. The limits should be q naught to q. Okay, now simply integrate. So this will be q only with limits q naught to q, and the limits of time should be t naught to t. Sorry, limits of current. So remain this current term as it is, t naught to t. Now simply put limits. This will become q minus q naught of t will equal to t naught to t I of t dt. Now this is term with negative sign, so simply take away from others. So t naught to t I of t dt plus q naught of t. So this is the formula which help us to solve this problem. So come to problem, and we are using this formula, and formula is q of t is equal to integration of I of t dt with respect to t naught to t plus q of naught. So the current is from 0 to 2 second, and it constant from 0 to 1, which is 4 ampere. So write 0 to 1, and the value of current which is given is 4 ampere for dt plus. Now remaining term is q naught, and q naught is this 40 square ampere, and the limits are t greater than 1. So the total question limits are t 0 to 2, but this q naught is greater than 1, so limit of this must be from 1 to 2. So apply limits from 1 to 2, and the term is 4t square. Okay, sorry, this is not q naught, this is only current. So we are integrating both these currents, so the q naught must be 0. So as we the given term is in ampere, so this must be current. So we are adding both currents, because why we are adding, because these question ask from different limits. So q of t will be equal to integration of 4t will be for 4 dt will be 4t from 0 to 1 plus t square integration will be 4 t cube by 3 from 1 to 2 plus 0. This will become 4 into 1 minus, this will become 0. So 4 into 2 cube by 3 minus 4 into 1 cube by 3. So apply on calculator. This will become 4 into 2 cube by 3 minus 4 by 3, as q of t is equal to 40 by 3 coulomb, which is equal to 13.333 coulomb, and the exact same answer is given. So you must take care of these currents. These both are current, and we should add them because there are different limits of them. If they have same limit, then we should only integrate the single term. Because the limits are different, so we should add the both different limits currents, so we can find q of t, and this q naught should be equal to 0. This is initial charge, and initial charge is not given, so we suppose initial charge is equal to 0. So this was practice problem 1.3. Thank you for watching.